Welcome to this video on the properties of 3D shapes. We will explore the key characteristics of various solid shapes. What exactly are 3D shapes? They are solid objects that exist in 3 dimensions: length, width, and height. Examples include cylinders, cubes, and cuboids. Because they have these 3 dimensions, 3D shapes can hold volume and occupy space, distinguishing them from flat shapes. The main difference between 2D and 3D shapes is depth. A square is flat, while a cube is solid. A circle is flat, but a sphere is solid. 3D shapes have depth, unlike their 2D counterparts. The important parts of 3D shapes include faces, which are the surfaces, edges, where 2 faces meet, and vertices, which are the corners. Let's define these parts more clearly. A face is the flat or curved surface of the shape. Edges are the line segments where 2 faces intersect. Vertices are the corners where the edges meet. First, let's look at the cube. It is one of the most famous shapes in mathematics. Cubes can be seen everywhere, in everyday objects, such as a die, a gift box, or a Rubik's Cube. A cube has all sides equal. It has 6 square faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Next is the cuboid. It looks similar to a cube, but its major difference is that not all sides are equal. Cuboids are also found in common objects, such as books, shoe packs, and refrigerators. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces, where opposite faces are equal. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges, same as a cube. The main way to distinguish a cube from a cuboid is to remember this shortcut. If every edge is equal, it is a cube. If the dimensions differ, it is a cuboid. Next, we have the cylinder, a shape with curved surfaces. Objects like pipes, pencils, batteries, cans, and wood logs are all examples of cylinders in the real world. A cylinder has 2 circular faces, 1 curved surface, and 0 vertices. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, kindly help us grow by clicking the subscribe button. Next, we examine the square pyramid, which is easily visualized by thinking of the Egyptian pyramids. The square pyramid has 5 faces, 1 square base, and 4 triangular sides. It also has 5 vertices and 8 edges. Now, let's explore the cone. Think of an ice cream cone or a traffic cone as everyday examples. A cone is a solid shape with a circular or curved base tapering to a single point called the apex or vertex. The cone has 1 curved base, 1 curved surface, and 1 vertex. We move on to the triangular prism. Common examples include tents and some pieces of cheese. A triangular prism is a polyhedron with 2 triangular bases and 3 rectangular faces. The properties of a triangular prism include 5 faces, 6 vertices, and 9 edges. Next is the sphere. Objects like a basketball and a football are perfect examples of this solid shape. The Earth is also an example of a sphere, although it's not perfectly round, being slightly flattened at the poles. A hemisphere is half of a sphere. Imagine a sphere cut into 2 equal halves. A sphere is round, 3-dimensional, and circular in shape. It has only 1 curved surface, no edges, and no vertices. Let's review the key properties of the shapes we've discussed using this quick comparison table. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. The cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. A cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges, and 0 vertices. The pyramid has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices. For the cone, there are 2 faces, 1 edge, and 1 vertex. The triangular prism has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. Finally, the sphere has no flat faces, no edges, and no corners. Thanks for watching. Before you go, make sure you subscribe to Acestudents' YouTube channel, where learning becomes simple, exciting, and fun. We bring you powerful math, science, and exam success videos designed to help you score higher and understand faster.